Hey y'all, today I'll be lifting my natural lashes using a DIY lash lift kit from RNEKFA, a store on Amazon. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying something that I have never tried before. I've never tried it. I've never thought about trying it. I've never thought about it. Oh, I'm lying. I have thought about trying it before. Oh, my nose ring ain't proper. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying something that I have never tried before. And I'm not even going to lie. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a lot of bit nervous. But today I'm going to be lifting my lashes. And I will be using the RNEKFA or RNEKFA lash lift kit from Amazon. And this shouldn't be a long video because it should only take like 30 minutes to do. But yeah, basically what it's supposed to do is like lift my lashes, like just give them a lift, you know. Like I looked at a couple of videos, but I don't know, those people have lashes, like they got more than me. I don't feel like I have any lashes. Like I have lashes, but y'all, my eyes red. I don't know, I was itching it earlier, but it's always something going on with my eyes, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna be trying this RNEKFA or whatever lash lift kit. First things first, we're gonna get this box open. It has on the front of the box that you see, it has the company's name and the contents of the box, and then on the back it has like the directions on how to use it, cautions and ingredients, and yeah, the expiration date and all of that. So go ahead and open it. On the inside there's the lash lift tools in the kit. I'll go down the list of contents and all of that in a second. So inside this lash lift tools thing, like there's this like little thing like this, these things. There's some spoolies, the eye gel patches, and there is the false lash glue, the lash perm, the fixation, the nutrition, the cleanser, the clean tools, and the lift pads. The lift pads have small, medium, medium 1, medium 2, and large size. It's 5 pairs. The clean tools, they clean off the residue. Yeah, so that's what's there. All of the directions are here, so it should be easy. It should be easy. Let me read the instructions first before use, because the caution says to read the instructions fully before use. So how to use. 1. Test in a small area before use. If allergic reaction occurs after using, please stop using immediately. 2. Use cleanser solution number 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. 3. Apply the eye pads on the under eyelids to protect our skin from perming solution. 4. Select the lift pad that best fits the shape of your eye. 5. Place the lift pad over your eye. They don't use proper grammar or like proper English, so don't come for me and how I'm reading this, because I'm making it make sense. But anyways, place lift pad over eyelid and align it right above your eyelashes. 6. Apply false lashes glue on eyelashes and lift pad. 7. Allow the glue and eyelashes to set onto the lift pad for 1 minute. 8. Apply the perm solution number 1 onto eyelashes, then cover with plastic films for 8 to 12 minutes. I ain't got no plastic film. I wonder where am I? 9. Apply fixation solution number 2 onto eyelashes, then cover with plastic film for 8 to 12 minutes. 10. Apply nutrition solution number 3 to nourish eyelashes. And 11. Use cleanser solution to clean. Alright, so overall it was very simple to use, y'all. Very, very simple. I was surprised because I thought I was gonna get in my eye, but it didn't get in my eye at all. Alright, so the product is the RNEKFA Lash Lift Kit, EyeLash Perm Kit, Professional Eyelash, Lash Extensions, Lash Curling, Semi-Permanent Curling, Perming Wave, suitable for salon and home. It's $23.99. Alright, y'all. So I'm not gonna get too much into detail about the product itself. I already did, or whatever. If you want to know the link to purchase and all that for this lash lift kit, it's in my description box below. So go ahead and check it out. It's $3.21. But anyway, big shout out to RNEKFA on Amazon, and big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Oh, and before I go, if you haven't already seen the install video for these sock blocks I did in an hour and a half, go ahead and hit that thing right there.
Please guide me, Jehovah, Father, protect your soul. Can't tell me, come here too quick. Can't kill me, come here too quick.